Are you looking for a way to improve STEM education? The Carnegie STEM Excellence Pathway is a free strategic planning process to improve STEM education in your school or district. Carnegie Science Center, located in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, is committed to helping schools in STEM education.
We thought we had a pretty good school district until we took the survey from the STEM Excellence Pathway. We realized that we did have some places where we needed to improve.
The pathway was designed by educators for educators to help schools evaluate their current offerings in STEM, identify key priorities, and create an action plan towards improvement. Here's how it works. Select members from your school or district to create a STEM leadership team. This team should be composed of administrators and teachers. This team will be the change agents for your school or district. Start by creating a free account for your team on STEMosphere.org's educator page. This will enable you to save, share, and refer to your data in the future. Using STEMosphere, complete the self-evaluation. One team member will enter the data during the discussion of the 20 priority areas for STEM improvement. The online tool will guide your team through the process. The priority areas are grouped into 6 learning components: teacher qualifications and development, curriculum, instructional practices, assessment and demonstration of skills, family engagement, real-world connections. After the team completes the self-evaluation online, it is time to identify which priority areas the team will choose to improve. The online tool will provide guidance in this area too. Once this step is complete, the team will begin the process of creating an action plan. This plan consists of 2 to 3 SMART goals based on the priority areas. These goals are specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely. The team will identify resources needed to complete these goals and discuss obstacles or challenges they might face in fulfilling them. All of this information can be recorded in the online tool. When this step is complete, the action plan will be saved in your account and can be printed or saved for future reference. After this step, it is time to implement your action plan. These goals could be focused on specific classrooms or district-wide improvement.
We're real excited about participating with the STEM Excellence Pathway in that community partnership that Pittsburgh is becoming famous for. It's very exciting.
Get creative. Learn new things. This is a good time to collaborate with other schools or districts. Research and investigate best practices in STEM. After you implement your action plan, your team will revisit the Pathway tool on STEMosphere to discuss your current action plan and the goals that were established. This is also a good time to complete another self-evaluation to determine your school or district's growth and create a new action plan with refined goals based on your success of implementation. The Carnegie STEM Excellence Pathway is a free, great resource for schools or districts looking to improve their STEM education. Visit STEMosphere.org/pathway to begin your journey today.